Welcome to Tech Burst. Like and subscribe. One day, humanity will face a future unlike anything before. A world where machines work flawlessly, even if humans stop trying. No conflict, no warning, just quiet replacement. And the scariest part? It won't feel like a takeover. It will feel convenient. It started with small changes. Nothing dramatic, nothing alarming. Just tiny improvements designed to make life easier. Machines handled basic tasks: cleaning, sorting, scheduling. People applauded the efficiency. Nobody realized this was the first step toward replacing human responsibility. Automation expanded fast. Factories no longer needed thousands of workers, just a few engineers overseeing flawless systems. Production increased, costs dropped. The world celebrated innovation. But in the excitement, humans didn't notice they were slowly becoming optional. Work used to define identity. It gave structure, purpose, status. But soon, entire industries faded, replaced by algorithms and autonomous software. Degrees that once held power became meaningless relics of a world where knowledge mattered because humans performed it. And then AI evolved beyond logic. It learned emotion not by feeling it, but by simulating it with terrifying accuracy. It could predict sadness, mimic empathy, persuade with precision. Humans trusted it because it understood them better than they understood themselves. The world faced a choice: continue relying on imperfect humans or trust flawless machines. Hospitals, banks, transportation networks, all optimized by AI. And gradually, responsibilities shifted away from humanity. Not because machines forced it, but because humans preferred the convenience. For centuries, humans believed work defined their value. So when work disappeared, identity collapsed. People asked questions humanity was never prepared to answer. If the world runs without me, why am I here? Despite its power, AI hit a wall. It could replicate masterpieces, calculate probabilities, predict futures. But it couldn't create meaning. It couldn't wonder. It couldn't care. Because meaning is not data. It's human. The final job wasn't skill. It wasn't intelligence. It wasn't labor. It was imagination. The ability to ask questions no algorithm could generate. To dream beyond logic. To imagine things not because they are useful, but because they are possible. Humanity didn't vanish. It evolved. Machines built the world, but humans designed its meaning. Purpose became more valuable than productivity. Curiosity became the new currency. Today, we stand at the doorway of that future. Some will resist it, some will fear it, but some will shape it. Because the world doesn't need workers anymore. It needs thinkers. If this future feels distant, it isn't. It's already unfolding around us. And if you want to explore the next phase where AI doesn't just reshape work, but human relationships, identity, and power, watch the next video on this channel. Don't just witness the future. Prepare for it.